Combed out my hair. Did not have a lot of breakage, but I did have some. All right. So I combed out my hair, so I'm getting ready to put the products in. Guys, getting ready to put the castor oil. And you can buy this at your local beauty supply store. And I'll rub it in my hands. And work it through my hair. Okay. And the last thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to add the Aunt Jackie's Curl La La. And I found this in TJ Maxx. So I'm going to use a generous amount. Okay. And I'm going to just put it in my hair and use the brush and comb it through for my wash and go. And guys, guess what? I need a spray bottle, but my spray bottle broke. Not worked, but my spray bottle broke. So I'm gonna do it the old school way. I'm just gonna wet my hands and pour water on back on my hair. Because my hair is actually dry a little because I waited too long. I've been out of the shower and I got dressed, so I didn't have to do that last. So guys, this is with the water. And I'm gonna go through one more time with the brush, and I'm gonna comb the products through. And be sure to be gentle. You don't want to have a lot of breakage. Okay? So, be gentle. And I'm going to comb through this side a little so I can add some definition to my curls. Right? And guys, I'm going to put one more handful of the Aunt Jackie's Curl La La, and then I'll be done. So one more drop, one more drop. I use the brush. And there you guys have it. I'm just gonna go through a little and define a little bit of the curls. And this is my wash and go with two simple products. The Aunt Jackie Curl La La and some castor oil. So yeah guys, how do you like it? Drop some comments down below. And I promise you I didn't put anything else in my hair but that. And it's given me life. this wash and go. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.